Hi, I'm Michael Mortimer and I am on Runnymede Road in Darras Hall to show you this modern detached home that unfolds over 3 floors. This property defines inside-out living as it opens seamlessly from a thriving garden into amazing spaces. The open plan kitchen living dining has a modern shaker kitchen with a separate kitchen island, a dining space with overhead hanging lights and 2 picture windows either side of bifolding doors. And there's not just one amazing living space, but there's 2. This spectacular open plan living space has a vaulted ceiling and a wood burning stove. Who's this guy? There's fitted shutters on each window throughout the property and a main staircase leading to the 1st and 2nd floors. The master bedroom has a Juliet balcony overlooking this beautiful garden. There's fitted wardrobes in both other bedrooms with a main family bathroom with feature freestanding bath. On the top floor there's another double bedroom and a home office. In this home you feel at one with nature, with no barriers to the outside. All of downstairs is connected with a circular flow. This is inside out living. Until next time.